we going today?
Farm.
And?
Maze. Farm. Maze.
Are you excited?
Yes! Yeah! I get a bouncing pillow with Foxy. That's a toddler one.
Because you're too scared to go on the big one?
She's a skinny cat. And go on the
Daddy's
big
too scared
one.
to go on it.
Daddy's a toddler. I'll be scared.
Go!
Daddy.
Come on.
Hi, Abby. Hi, Foxy. Wait,
Wait for
is
Mama.
it on? Yeah. Abby, where are we going?
I didn't have to
Nice, we're going.
Hold my hand.
Bye.
Bye-bye, car. Hold Mummy hand.
Foxy's excited. Abby, wait up. Look fun.
1, 2, 3.
Foxy's gonna fly. The maze.
Yeah, don't film other people.
Okay.
No dogs allowed.
It's Mummy.
Okay.
Foxy. Yeah. Foxy,
Where
where are we? Where are we?
Right.
Are we seeing the tractors?
No.
Thank you.
No. We were.
Bye, mate.
No! I know it's wet.
Oh no!
I can just go.
It's only a little bit wet, you're fine.
That's a
It's
tiny-
dry, Ari. I think Foxy will like this slide. Oh, Mika, give Daddy the battery.
Is it?
It's not wet, you're fine. It's not fast either. You gonna go on there? Go on, Ari.
No cow!
Are you excited? Good Lord. Excuse me. Excuse me. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna go on the slide? You gonna go on the slide? It's not wet, you're okay. Come on then. Ready, go. Yeah.
Perfect speed slide.
More please. More please.
Just get me off this thing!
You can get off it yourself. He doesn't know what to look at first, does he? Wow, Foxy, you gonna drive it? You're
What?
driving to Mika.
No, you're stuck there for.
Yeah. You put your foot down. Put your foot on the go. Hold it down. Yeah. Ari, we're gonna crash. Ari, turn the camera around. I got it. Ari, look, let's go. Down as hard as you can. Yeah. Do you love it? Daddy and Fox. Ari, you're steering. Hey, Pussy.
Catch them.
We're going to hit him. Catch it. Go, Ari, go. Go. Ari, stop a minute. Take your foot off. Mummy's going to get off and then you'll go even quicker. Go, Ari, go. Go on, Ari. Go through the middle and you can bash You can have another go later. No petrol. Girls, what are we doing?
Tractor.
I think it's going to go fast or slow.
I don't know.
Ari, what do you think?
Yeah. I think medium.
Foxy, honk, honk! Wow! Wow, Foxy! There's going to be some bugs, they said, that we have to find.
Sign.
Yeah. We're in the maze now. We're in the maze.
I don't want a ladybug.
The ladybug is the first one.
I can do that.
Okay, so you got to find the word ladybug.
Where's my pencil?
You can lean on there if you need
Yeah,
to.
lean on there
It's on the word search, Ari.
to find ladybug or ladybird. What is it?
What is it,
A
Ari?
caterpillar. What does it start with? A
Car?
curly car. Mika?
Thank you.
You've got to find an A next to it.
Where's that? Ari. Should we go underneath, please?
We started all the way over there, girls. Look.
We've done this
So
part.
is there any more this side? Doesn't look like it, does it?
No.
I think we have to follow this road round, shall we?
Can you bounce?
Mummy, shoot up.
No, Mummy not bouncing. Foxy bounce.
So bounce to Ari.
Daddy
Bounce to
do
Ari.
it.
Daddy bang.
Daddy bunts. Wow, bunts on Daddy.
Mum.
Yeah. Jump in.
Boing.
Wow.
Wait, please.
White, please. Is Daddy gonna fit? Foxy just came down this one on his.
Belly.
Yeah.
Ow. It's faster than I thought.
Is it?
Yeah, and then my ankle got
Steady, steady, go. Hold on tight, Ari. Hold on. Did you poop your pants? Are you on?
Now swing me.
Ready?
Oh, I got hair.
Steady.
Mummy!
Hold on, Mika.
That was really high.
Mika.
Ready?
Yeah. What's down there? What's down
What's
there?
underneath you?
What is it?
Water.
Water.
Mummy, what's that big for?
That is the lifeboats. We went in there last time. It was really cool to look at.
What does it do?
Save people when they're in trouble in the water.
You're right there, Ari.
What?